Don't let rain ruin your camping trip. Try these DIY weather hacks. 1. Turn a trash bag into a quick emergency rain poncho. 2. Add a drip line to your tarp to stop rain from running inside. 3. Store matches in a waterproof container with rice. 4. Raise your fire base using rocks to keep it dry. 5. Store dry socks in sealed bags for backup comfort. Stay dry, stay smart. Follow for more outdoor survival hacks.